Welcome back, guys. This is Retros at Delhi Comic Con 2020.
2024. And not only did we meet a lot of cosplayers, but we also interviewed them till we made them feel weird.
So enjoy watching us make these people uncomfortable.
Don't ask my character.
Okay.
I don't know about so much about him.
Okay, we even don't know about it.
Thank you.
Who are you dressed up as?
Goku.
Rem from ReZero.
Jillian from Heaven's Blessing.
Triss Marigold from the series The Witcher.
Jamie Lannister from Game of Thrones.
Wednesday Adams. Choso from Jujutsu Kaisen.
No one in particular, just various different cosplays.
I'm Pink Soldier.
Mario. Ash Ketchum from Pokemon.
Okay, and you?
Kenton Alami.
Helsinki.
Who are you dressed up as?
My name is Kishori.
Okay, who are you dressed up as?
Spider-Man.
Okay, and who are you dressed up as?
Katsuki.
You're from Spy Family.
Okay.
Itachi.
Mugiwara no Ruffy.
Athena.
Sheldon Cooper.
Okay.
I'm Howard Wolowitz.
Okay.
Leonard.
I am the Joker.
Okay. Is this your first time at Comic Con?
This is my third Comic Con.
It's my second.
Do you know each other? No. Okay, and what is...
Just met at Comic Con.
Okay, you met at Comic Con. Okay. Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
Second time.
Second
First
time.
time cosplaying.
Okay.
First time cosplaying.
Okay. Is this your first time at Comic Con?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm doing first time.
Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
No, I've been here before. This is my first time.
ये इसी बार तीसरी बार आ रहा है.
Okay. You guys are taller than me. Do you think I'm cuter than you?
I can say that. No homo.
I have pen.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Okay.
So do you think Cersei is cute?
Yes, cute also.
But isn't she your sister?
Have you watched Squid Game? Okay. Is it a good show?
But otherwise,
Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
I've been regular for last 6 years.
Last 6 years?
I mean, during the COVID years, it did not happen. But,
Okay. Okay, I have to ask you guys, what are you dressed up as? I can't hear them. So, do any of you play Minecraft? Yes, you do. Okay. Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con? Okay. Do you think that the people who play Minecraft are virgins?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Miles Morales. How much does this costume cost you?
Enough to make my father mad.
Okay. Have you found Gwen Stacy here?
Nah, not yet. That's why I'm sad.
Do you like Gwen?
She's alright.
If she is trans in real life, what would you do?
Experiment.
Nah, bhai.
So, I have to ask you, Gwen Stacy or Mary Jane Watson?
Watson.
Gwen Stacy or Mary Jane Watson? You know she's Spider-Man. Both of them are Spider-Man's girlfriend.
Yeah.
Who do you think is better, Gwen Stacy or Mary Jane Watson?
Wednesday.
Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
Second.
Second time. Okay. Are you having fun here?
Yes.
Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
No. My fifth time.
Fifth time.
Yeah,
Okay. Have you seen the Mario movie?
obviously.
Did you like it?
Loved it.
First day, first show.
First day, first show.
Okay. Can you do the iconic line for me?
It's me, Mario.
Thanks a lot. Who do you think is the sexiest Pokemon?
Sexiest?
Yes.
Ninetales?
Ninetales.
Yeah.
She's
Smash!
Oh my God! Bro, I'm diving into that.
Okay. And who do you think has the sexiest cosplay here?
Sexiest cosplay here? I haven't find any. The best sexiest yet.
Okay.
Let's see. By evening, you can see someone.
Maybe you can be the sexiest one.
I can be. I'm
Okay.
the cute one, I guess.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I have to ask you, is this your first time at Comic Con?
No.
Okay.
I'm a professional cosplayer.
You are a professional cosplayer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Today I'm here to just promote my toys. I made those toys.
Okay.
These are handmade toys.
Okay.
So I made those.
Okay. How much did you spend on the costume?
$15,000.
15,000 bucks. You spent 15,000. Okay.
The costliest thing is this one.
How much is the hair?
6,000.
Your hair is 6,000
Yeah.
rupees. How much did you spend on your costume?
I've spent like around 5K.
Around 5k. And you?
Oh yeah, same.
Same?
Yeah.
Okay. How much does this costume cost you?
I think 11,000.
11,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much does this costume cost you?
Around 15,000.
Around 15,000.
Okay, so how much did the costume cost you?
About 1K.
How much did this costume cost you?
Around 2K.
2k.
This is like made by like I got it stitched.
Okay.
So like
4K पूरा ऊपर से.
Okay.
Technically, I spent like 3K,
3K, okay.
but my efforts were too much.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, now the boys are gone. Would any of you go on a date with me?
No, I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
No.
You look really beautiful. Would you go on a date with me?
No. I only go on dates with Subaru. So if you find Subaru, let me know.
Okay. Any of you guys interested in dating me?
No.
Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
No, it isn't. It's
Okay.
the second time.
Okay. I have to ask you, are you jealous of Yennefer?
I would have sex with her if I could.
Okay. Okay. Speaking of sex, do you think I'm cute? Speaking of sex, do you think I'm cute?
Not my type. I'm sorry, but you're cute.
Okay.
Black Maria from One Piece.
This is Destiny 2 character.
So I'm cosplaying as Raze today from the game Valorant. I really like cosplaying her because I like her vibe. It matches mine.
So how much did it cost you to make this? Costing, I have no idea basically. I never counted costing. Okay, so is this your first Comic Con? I have been into Comic Con since I think 2016.
Okay, so how much did this cost you?
I actually made it on my own. So totally the material cost was around 20 to 30K.
Okay,
Yeah.
so are you a fashion student?
I'm not a fashion student, I'm an art student, but I'm actually working right now and I've been cosplaying for the last 10 years.
This looks pretty good.
Thank you.
Would you like to go on a date with my friend?
With him? Yeah, for sure, why not? Let's do it.
Who are you dressed up as?
Yes.
Who are you dressed up as?
4 months.
As Hulkbuster?
Yes,
right?
Hulkbuster.
How much did the costume cost you?
20,000.
20,000. Okay. Is this your first time at Comic Con?
Yes.
Think you can beat Hulk? What do you think about She-Hulk? Can you beat She-Hulk?
She-Hulk, no.
Okay. What are you dressed up as?
Roman Sukuna.
Roman Zukuna.
Yeah.
Is this your first time at Delhi Comic Con?
No, second time.
Second time. Did you come here as a cosplayer as well? Okay, no, not a cosplayer. Okay, so do you think you can beat Goku?
I can beat Goku, Sukuna can't.
Okay. Okay. The Goku cosplayer, you can beat that guy.
Easily.
Okay.
I did mixed martial arts for like
Huh.
3-4 years, so yeah.
Okay. Who do you think is the sexiest cosplayer here?
Sexy cosplayer है. Probably me. या फिर there was one Maki cosplay.
Okay.
Maki cosplay. And Shraddha did like Gojo cosplay as well. Nice.
Good.
Okay, so this is your first time in Comic Con?
No, second time.
Deadpool. Okay, so Spider-Man.
No, Deadpool.
Spider-Man. You look like Spider-Man.
Deadpool.
Okay, okay. Deadpool. Okay.
Say Deadpool.
Spider-Man.
Deadpool. Say Deadpool.
Spider-Man. Okay.
If Money Heist was made in India, who would be your dream cast?
Dreamcast as like a particular member.
Yeah.
I would like Alia Bhatt to be Nairobi in there because
Okay.
she pretty much resembles her.
Okay.
So yeah, I would like Alia Bhatt to be
Okay.
the Nairobi. And as for Dan, I would like Dan to be played by Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Gus Fring from Breaking Bad.
Okay, what did this cost you?
This cost me something about 600.
Okay.
This for about 1,000
Okay.
and 200.
Okay, so
50 rupees.
okay. Okay. So are you a big Breaking Bad fan?
Yes, I have been a big, yes, I am. My English is not too good.
Don't worry, don't.
हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं कोई issue नहीं है
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, yes. Breaking Bad का बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ and I have been enjoying that series. अफसोस कि like वो खत्म हो चुका है series and I'm quite I miss the series.
I miss it too, man. Okay, what do you think about Skylar?
Skylar, I'm the one who knocks the door.
Okay.
I'm the one.
So, would you have killed Heisenberg?
I think so. Yeah, yes. I should have killed Heisenberg at the first place.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Before I ask you who are you dressed up as, let me guess. Can I guess who are you dressed up as? Okay. Is this a Batman who has been burned down?
No.
Okay. Is this a version of Deadpool whose clothes are old now?
Nope. I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
He's from DC Universe.
Okay.
He is part of the Bat family.
Because you have a lot of blackheads and you can see that he hasn't slept for a while. Okay. Okay. He doesn't look like Wonder Woman, of course.
For sure, yeah.
Okay.
You got that right.
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me who are you dressed up as?
I'm dressed as a character called Jason Todd.
Okay.
Whose superhero name is Red Hood.
Okay.
Who was basically a Robin, Batman's sidekick.
Yeah.
But Batman kind of abandoned him, so he took on the Red Hood mantle, and now he fights.
I can Wikipedia that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry for that.
Okay. No worries. Okay. Okay. I had to ask you, how much did the whole outfit cost you?
Okay. This is from my friends.
Okay.
I didn't buy this.
Okay.
These toy guns, they were like 300 for each.
Okay.
Okay. I made this mask, of course, as you can see.
Okay. You made the mask. Can you show the mask on camera? Okay. Yeah.
I made the mask and it was basically cheap as shit because I made this with cardboard.
Okay.
The jacket, on the other hand, costed me around. I already had a jacket, so it was around 8.5k.
So you basically spent nothing.
Yeah, it was basically a closet cosplay.
Okay.
But in my mind, it looked kind of good.
It is much better because there are people around here who have spent $15,000 or 15,000 rupees.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a whole lot of money.
Okay.
As a student, I cannot technically spend that much.
You are a student.
I am a student, yeah.
What are you studying?
I'm studying game design.
Okay.
And I aspire to be a character designer, a character artist.
So you are doing BTech.
I'm not doing BTech, I'm doing game design.
Okay.
Where you basically draw.
Okay.
Yeah, I draw.
Okay.
Yeah. And I create games.
Okay.
And I draw. That's pretty much it.
Okay. So the most important question: are you subscribed to the retros?
I have not subscribed to the retros.
Okay. The most important question: are you subscribed to the retros?
Yep.
You are subscribed to the
Yes.
retros. Are you subscribed to the retros?
Yes.
Okay. Most important question: are you subscribed to the retros?
Yes.
So the most important question: are you subscribed to the retros?
Not yet.
Could you repeat?
Are you subscribed to the retros?
Oh, yeah. I
That's
think
a
I
lie.
did an interview last year.
That's a lie. Are you subscribed to the retros?
I don't think so.
Are you guys subscribed to the retros?
We are gonna begin now.
Thanks a lot. The most important question: are you guys subscribed to the retros?
No. But we will.
No.
Thanks a lot. That was really great, man. Are you subscribed to the retros?
No, I haven't. Sorry.
No.
Okay. So I had to ask. The most important question is: are you subscribed to the retros?
I will be subscribing now.
Okay. That's great. Okay. The most important question: are you subscribed to the retros?
Subscribe to the Red Rose. Okay.